Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to show you how to buy SpaceX stocks on WeBull. Okay, so here I am on my WeBull account. Along the very bottom, you'll see multiple tabs. We're going to go under the Markets tab. And then the section slightly above all the markets, you'll see a search bar. And if you don't see that search bar, it's probably because you're not at the right tab at the very top. So at the top, you see Discover, Stocks, Options, Crypto. We're going to go under Stocks. And then, like I said, at the very bottom, you see that search bar. So I'm going to click on that search bar, and I'm just going to type in SPCX for SpaceX. And it should be the very top option right there. So I'm going to click there. And as you can see right now, SpaceX is on the way down. So along the very bottom, we're going to click on trade. We're going to go under a market order instead of limit order. We're just going to be buying the stock at what the current market price is, just to show you guys how it's done. And then you could decide to buy via quantity. So like if I wanted 1 or 2 or 3 shares SpaceX, you could just modify that number there, but I don't have that much buying power in my account. So instead of quantity, I'm going to select USD, which stands for US dollars. Click there. And I currently have $10.07 of buying power. So I'm going to type that in there, click on next, and then everything else I will leave the same. And at the very bottom, there is that button that says buy. So I'm going to click on buy and then confirm the purchase. And just like that, my order to buy SpaceX has been submitted. Click done. And then I'm going to go back to my account. And then we'll go back to my account. And as you can see, I successfully bought $10 worth of SpaceX right there. We're going to see it go up and down. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.